Hey, welcome to today's Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Today we're going to talk about how to rebuild that employee, the employee experience, right? At one time or another, we were all employees at some point in time in our life, right? And we've had good employers, bad employers, good bosses, shit bosses, good leaders, terrible leaders, so on and so forth. So how do you really create and bring back that good, employee experience that we used to have, right? And it really is simple. Don't forget the little things, right? Don't forget the small things as a leader. Like something as simple. Stop by a cubicle, right? Stop by a cubicle, pull up a chair, ask them how they're doing, right? Bring them a cup of coffee. I don't know. Something just to put yourself in their space and so they can feel like they are valued. That's part of that experience of being an employee. It's not just this mechanical thing. This is not woo either, by the way. And if you think what I'm talking about's woo, you're nuts, right? Because this is just like basic human shit, right? We all want to feel like we're valued a little bit and not feel like we're freaking redheaded stepchildren, right? I'm a Gen X guy, so I still want to feel appreciated, I'm not an employee, but I still want to feel appreciated by, the people around me, my clients or whatever, right? There ain't nothing woo about that. If you think that's woo, then man, you got a friggin' problem, right? Treat others like you want to be treated yourself. And that's kind of the simple fact of it all, right? That's sometimes as leaders, you got to look in the mirror and make sure that you're just doing the basic stuff, throw a company party every now and then. This is stuff that it just makes people feel really good about what's going on in their ecosystem and their environment. And they just want to be acknowledged that they're doing good work for you. Because if they're not, they shouldn't be working for you anyway. All right. Anyway, get out there and just get off your ass and go talk to your people a little bit. It's pretty simple shit, really. All right. Do it. Get up today and go just talk to your people for 5 minutes apiece and just see how they're doing. Give them a little bit of praise. You'd be surprised what that'll do for you at the end of the week. All right. I hope that was helpful. Maybe a little aggressive, but sometimes you got to hear it. If it was, smash the like button. And as always, you can get a hold of me at www.strategicadvisorboard.com. And always remember, go dream it, believe it, and achieve it. Let's get back to the way it used to be and really create that employee dynamic that we want in our companies. All right, we'll see you on tomorrow's dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.